Hey, my name is Nick Haralambis, and we are continuing our journey going through the Yoco apps and discovering how to use all of the great tools that we have. And today we're going to be talking about your sales history, one of the most important parts of the Yoco ecosystem. So to locate your sales history, you will navigate to the Sales tab, and then you will find the Sales History widget. You'll click on that widget and load up your sales history. Now, there is a lot to unpack here, so let's take some time to go through this. You have got your filters, which we'll get into in more detail. Then you've got search. You're able to search by amount, note, receipt number, and various other things. And then you also have share and download, which are in the top right-hand corner of your screens. You can download your sales history in Excel or CSV format so that you can export it and edit it and use it in other more useful places. And then when it comes to filters, we have got a date filter, which allows you to do some pre-selected filters or a custom filter of your own. Then we've got status. We can filter by approved, and you're able to see only and all approved transactions. And to remove, you simply click on the X. We've got payment methods, the type of payment, the device that payment happened on, and the staff member. And then as you scroll down, you're able to select a transaction to view more details. Let's take a look at this transaction. You can see what product was sold. You can send a receipt. You can add a note. This transaction is not eligible for a refund as it is fairly old. Here you can see that the transaction is approved, how much it was for, the date and time that transaction occurred. And you can drill down into more details here around the VAT, the discount applied, and the total, which includes VAT. You do have the ability to issue refunds straight from the sales history, and when a refund is approved, the status changes to an approved refund. If it has failed, we tell you that the refund failed, and if transactions are declined or fail for any reason, you can see them bright and red here so that they're easy to navigate and discover. And that is our sales history. Hope that this was useful and you have good trading. See you soon.